This video is for educational purposes only. If you have any questions, please send me a message in the comment section below.
I am installing this program on Windows 11, but the procedure is the same or very similar for other versions of Windows. Search and download the free VMware Lab program. Install VMware Lab. Download any free version of VMware and unzip it. Install VMware. Deselect these two options. Press Finish. A new yellow icon will appear on your desktop. Download the Nissan Consult 3 program and go to the Downloads folder. Unzip Nissan Consult 3 file. Move the unzipped Nissan Consult 3 folder to a place where you will not delete it. I will put mine on the C drive. Open VMware. Press open a virtual machine. Find the unzipped Nissan Consult 3 folder. I placed mine on the C drive. Select Windows XP Professional. Select Edit Virtual Machine Settings. In the section Edit Virtual Machine Settings, you can change the amount of RAM assigned to the virtual machine. The higher the number of RAM, the faster the virtual machine, but the slower your native Windows. So make sure you find the golden mean that suits you. Press Play Virtual Machine. Select I move it and OK. If you want to change the resolution of Windows XP, right-click anywhere on the Windows XP desktop. Select Properties and Tab Settings. Here you can adjust the screen size of Windows XP. I'll leave mine as you see in this video. In the lower left corner, click Start and select Control Panel. Click on the System icon and select the Hardware tab. Click on Device Manager. Connect a diagnostic device between the USB in your computer and the OBD in a car, then turn on the ignition or engine. Select Connect to a virtual machine and remember my choice and press OK. Select Yes this time only and press Next. Windows has detected a new device. You will see the new device in Device Manager. If for some reason the previous step failed and you do not see the new device in Device Manager, click Player in the upper left corner. From the list of devices, select Sajam USB and connect. As you can see, a new device has appeared in Device Manager. Now open Nissan Consult program. Press the Consult 3 icon. As you can see, the program automatically detected drivers for my device. I can now click Connect and the program will connect to a car. Very important note, if you have finished working with the program, do not close the computer or software, but select the upper right X and press Suspend. This way, when you run the program again, you won't have to wait for Windows XP and Consult 3 to start. After restarting the program, make sure that the device is connected to VMware and is detected in the Device Manager on Windows XP. If you have reached this point, congratulations, you have just installed the software.